This is a saga of a proud legacy of unrivaled valor and supreme sacrifice. This is an epic of matchless devotion and peerless professionalism. This is a story of an earnest commitment, achieving unimaginable wonders. This is a story of a leader rendering countless services for a nation in turmoil. This is the story of General Raheel Sharif. Born in Quetta on June 16, 1956 to Major and Mrs. Muhammad Sharif, Raheel Sharif grew up steeped in the military traditions full of valor, duty, self-sacrifice, unlike another. Hailing from Kunja in Gujarat, he belongs to a noble family of martyrs, soldiers, and patriots whose sacrifices for the motherland are etched in the mind of every Pakistani. His elder brother, Major Shabbir Sharif, who earned Sitara-e-Jurrat in the 1965 war and attained Shahadat during the 1971 war, receiving Nishan-e-Haider, is undoubtedly the most decorated officer of Pakistan. His maternal uncle, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, was another gallant war hero of Pakistan who attained Shahadat during the 1965 war and was decorated with Nishan-e-Haider. Raheel Sharif received his early education from Garrison Boys High School and then attained his formal education at Government College, Lahore. Afterwards, he went on to attend the Pakistan Military Academy, Kakul, with 54th Long Course. After graduation, he was commissioned in 1976 in the battle-hardened and renowned 6th Battalion of the Frontier Force Regiment, in which his elder brother had embraced Shahadat. As a young officer, he performed his duties in Gilgit in an infantry brigade and also served as adjutant of Pakistan Military Academy. He did company commander's course from Germany and subsequently served in the prestigious School of Infantry and Tactics as an instructor. Later, he attended the Command and Staff College, Canada, graduating with distinction. During his mid-career service, he served as the brigade major of an infantry brigade and commanded 6th Frontier Force Regiment at Kashmir along LOC and 26th Frontier Force Regiment along the Sialkot border. After that, he remained on the faculty of the Command and Staff College, Quetta, and attended Armed Forces War Course at National Defence University, Islamabad in 1998. As a brigadier, he has the honor of commanding 2 infantry brigades, including an independent infantry brigade group. Later in his career, he attended the prestigious Royal College of Defence Studies in United Kingdom. On his return, he was promoted to 2-star rank. At first, he was appointed as the General Officer Commanding of 11 Infantry Division and later became the Commandant of prestigious Pakistan Military Academy. As a Lieutenant General, he served as Corps Commander 30 Corps for 2 years before taking over as Inspector General Training and Evaluation, in which capacity he oversaw the training of Pakistan Army. During this assignment, his stewardship resulted in fructification of Pakistan Army's operational thought and doctrinal response to the much-wanted Cold Star Doctrine of Indian Army. Under his leadership, the military doctrines and war strategies were re-evaluated with a view to shaping future training programs of Pakistan Army. On November 27, 2013, Raheel Sharif was promoted to the rank of General and made the 15th Chief of the Army Staff of Pakistan Army. He took over the command when the country was facing numerous challenges both foreign and within the country. Suicide bombings, target killings, fatalities by violence and terrorist attacks had plagued the peace of countries since long. Matters reached a head with the brutal, heinous and cowardly attacks perpetrated by the terrorists in APS Peshawar and Jinnah Airport, Karachi, which shocked the entire nation. It was time that these cowards, funded by an equally malicious and cunning enemy, had to be curtailed and crushed. Hence, with an aim of achieving these objectives, Pakistan Armed Forces, in full support of the nation, launched Operation Zarb-e-Azb in 2014. Under General Rahil Sharif's stewardship, hotbeds of militants in North Waziristan Agency and their sympathizers elsewhere in the country were struck with fury. What proved to be a tipping point in the fight against terrorism was the coming together of the Pakistan Army and the PAF in these operations. Through carefully orchestrated and executed attacks, the PAF, in synergy with Pakistan Army, was able to serve as the much-needed force multiplier to severe enemy forces and supply routes, and thus achieved decisive results in Operation Zarb-e-Azb. The major credit of success of these operations goes to General Rahil Sharif's firm resolve and far-sighted leadership.
मैं मुल्क के तमाम दुश्मनों पर ये वादे कर देना चाहता हूं कि पाकिस्तान पहले मजबूत था और आज नाकाबिले तस्खीर है।
Pakistan Army, under his visionary leadership, also played a key role in launching welfare projects, including schools, colleges, hospitals, roads and building infrastructures, basic amenities of life in the war-torn areas of Waziristan, and also the rehabilitation of temporarily displaced personnel of these areas. His services in this regard would always be remembered by the locals of these areas. Restoring peace and stability in Karachi and law and order in Balochistan is yet another landmark achieved under his leadership. Under the able command of General Rahil Sharif, the PAF and Pakistan Army worked hand in glove during the conduct of various operational exercises as well. The two forces have come together in a manner that lives up to models of joint operations that are held exemplary worldwide. Be it Pakistan Army's Exercise Azm-e-No or PAF's Exercise High Mark, the two sister services always gel together to produce exceptional results. The cordial relations between the two services saw all-time high as the two service chiefs visited each other's formations on regular basis. The time of crises and mourning of innocent civilians or shahadat of soldiers always saw the two leaders together, giving a loud and clear message to the enemies of Pakistan. Under the able leadership of General Rahil, Pakistan Army enhanced its professional capabilities through regular conduct of military exercises with allied and friendly countries. Exercise UV-6 with Chinese PLA Army in 2016 and first ever exercise with Russian Army, codenamed Drushba 2016, are some such exercises that are testimony to his vision of enhancing the operational capabilities of Pakistan Army. General Rahil Sharif is popular among the Pakistan Army soldiers as well. During the tenure of his command, he regularly visited the troops deployed in operational areas of FATA and North Waziristan, line of control in Azad Kashmir, and troops participating in various law enforcing duties. He also took keen interest in the welfare of the troops and launched various welfare schemes and projects for their betterment. Throughout his tenure, he made it a point to attend the burial of martyred soldiers and civilians alike, and took personal interest in looking after their aggrieved families. On the diplomatic front, General Raheel Sharif played a key role in projecting the soft image of Pakistan across the world. His contributions with regards to Operation Zarb-e-Azb were acknowledged internationally by the senior foreign military and political leaderships alike. Wherever he went, he was received with dignity and respect. In recognition of his contributions, various allied and friendly countries awarded him with their highest military awards, which include Order of Abdulaziz Al Saud by Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Legion of Merit by United States, Order of Military Merit by Brazil, Turkish Legend of Merit, and Medal of Order by Kingdom of Jordan. His visionary leadership and charismatic personality also earned him the award of Best Military Commander of the World in 2015. Raheel Sharif married Fariha on 29th January 1982, and the couple is blessed with 2 sons, Umar and Usman Sharif, and a lovely daughter, Mehreen Sharif. From restoring law and order in Karachi and Balochistan to breaking the backbone of terrorists in Operation Zarb-e-Azb, from keeping the enemy at bay on line of control to projecting the soft image of Pakistan across the world, the contributions rendered by General Raheel Sharif in the service of Pakistan would always be remembered. No one ever in the history of Pakistan Army was loved, regarded, and looked upon by Pakistani nation like General Raheel Sharif. If there ever was a badge for popularity and endless public following that one could pin on the uniform of a general officer in Pakistan, that surely would be pinned on the uniform of General Raheel Sharif. Although he is retiring after rendering almost 40 years of meritorious service in Pakistan Army, yet the legacy which he is leaving behind would certainly be cherished by the Pakistani nation for the times to come.